Hi guys, welcome back to Sapima tutorial. And in the lesson today, we want to simplify this quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equation has a coefficient, that is the square, has a coefficient more than 1. Alright, so to simplify it, we find the product first. The product is the coefficient of x squared multiplying the constant. Alright, so our product will be 12. Then the next is you find your sum. Your sum is the coefficient of x, and that is 8. So what do? Look for two factors of 12 that you multiply, you have 12. The same two factors, when you add the both of them, you have 8. That has to be what? 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. And we can also say 2 plus 6, you have 8. All right, so now that you have discovered the two factors, substitute the two of them for 8x in this equation. So we are going to have 2x squared plus 2x plus 6x. 2x plus 6x is 8x. So we have only succeeded in splitting 8x into 2x and 6x using the factors of 12, right? Plus 6 equals 0. So we can now group it into 2 and factorize. I'll group it this way. Now 2 is common here and x is also common. So I'll bring 2x outside. 2x divide 2x squared. That will give us x. 2x divide 2x, that would give us 1. Over here, 6 is common, just 6 is common. So I'll bring 6 outside, right? Then 6 divide 6x, that is x. 6 divide 6, that is 1. Now, when you have factorized this and factorized this, the brackets must be the same. If not, then you have not gotten it right. Okay, so we can now regroup it. 2x plus 6 can come in one bracket. 2x plus 6. And then these brackets are same, so pick one. All right, and that's equal to 0. So we can now equate 2x plus 6 to 0 and x plus 1 to 0. So we have 2x plus 6 equals 0, then x plus 1 equals 0, separating the both of them. So what do we do next? Let's make x the subject. That means we have 2x equals minus 6. I've taken 6 over to the right hand side. Then we divide both sides by 2. Cancel. You have x to be equal to minus 3 when you divide. Then over here, make x the subject. So to succeed with that, take 1 over. We'll have x equal to minus 1, right? So our solution is that x is either a negative 1 or a negative 3. This is a number, or these are numbers that when you substitute here, you get this equation to become 0, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share it to your friends, and follow for more interesting math tutorial. Catch you up in my next video.